Mr. Brown, can you feel me? Yeah, oh yeah. I was checking this girl next door when her parents went out. She phoned, say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knocked on the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine ready to pour, dressed in long black satin, legs to the floor. So I went in, then we sat down, started kissing, caressing. Tell me about jacuzzi, it sounded interesting. So we jumped right in. All calls diverted to answer phone. Please leave a message after the tone. Oh, me and our parents were kinda cool, but they were the fine line between me and you. We were just doing things that people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to. Singing, why were you creeping round late last night when I didn't see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Yeah. Calls diverted to answer phone. Red wine bottle, half the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me here? Whenever the coast was clear and she asked me to come out, I say, hey girl, come on right around. So she knocked at the door, I was standing with the keys in my hand to the 4x4. Jumped in my ride, checking that nobody saw. I saw we went in, we got down to the rhythm. So we was early morning, thought we better be leaving. Gave you my jacket for you to hold. Told you to wear it cause you felt cold. Oh, me and I didn't mean to break the rules. I weren't trying to play your mom and dad for fools. We were just doing things that people in love do. Parents are trying to find out what we were up to. Singing, why can't you keep your promises no more? Saying you'll be home by 12, come strolling in at 4. Out with the girls, you'll be leaving with the boy next door. Can you feel me? Yeah. Wearing a jacket whose property. Say you be queuing for a taxi, but you left all your money on the TV. Can you feel me? Yeah. Why were you creeping round late last night when I didn't see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Yeah. Calls diverted to answer phone. Red wine bottle, half the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me? Yeah. I was checking the girl next door when her parents went out. She phone say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knocked on the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine ready to pour, dressed in long black satin, legs to the floor. Why you were creeping round late last night when I didn't see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Yeah. Why can't you keep your promises no more? Saying you'll be home by 12 but in at 4. Out with the girls, left with the boy next door. Can you feel me? Yeah. And I said, hey, they are lonely, lonely and feeling blue. These arms of mine, they are yearning from wanting you. And if you would let them hold you, I need your tender lips. Oh man, hold you. Tell me that I'm right now. I've been loving you. When the evening sun is at its rest and the rainbow rays and ends your happiness, when the birds in the trees can sing a lullaby and the minutes they take so long to pass on by. I'll be there. Your time of trouble comes around and there's no peace on earth to be found. You reach for the skies, but your feet are on the ground. You call my name, I won't let you down. I'll be there. The sun and give your heart a nest, and I'll put an end to your unhappiness. I'll sing a lullaby, the minutes won't pass on by. You give love a chance, it will do the rest. I'll be there.
feeling. Nobody knows my pride but you. I'm in the mood for love 'cause of the feeling. Nobody knows my pride but you.
head of my feet won't keep me up anymore. Oh no. And with every little beat, my heart beats, girl. Oh yeah, it's at your door. I just wanna love you, and I'm never, never gonna hurt you, girl. So why won't you come on to me now, girl? Can't you see I'm under your spell? And I've got to know why, girl. Whoa, 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 why, girl? Ah, yeah. And oh my gosh, the rain is falling, and I just can't stop falling, 'cause you keep me waiting. I'm waiting for you, baby. Oh yeah. In the sun, please, release me from this pain. Oh yeah, I love you, yes I do. So tell me, do you really love me too? Gosh, the rain is falling, and I just can't stop falling. I'm still waiting. Won't you have some mercy, baby? I'm still waiting. Oh yeah. Attention, or am I wasting my time? I wanna know, do you promise to love me dearly and never go away and leave me with just bitterness inside? And I'm not ashamed for being so cautious, for love ain't a game. No, it ain't a game. So if I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it apart, or would you look after it? If I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it apart, or would you treasure it? Oh, what is the point in starting something you can't continue? With a broken heart, first aid can't help you. So you got to be sure from the start. For my heart is not made of unbreakable material. One thing about love, it's got to be mutual, or else someone is sure to be hurt. So don't think I'm vain, for asking these questions. For love ain't a game. Oh no, it ain't a game. So if I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it apart, or would you look after it? If I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it apart, or would you treasure it? If I gave my heart to you, well, I hope that you're sure that what you say are facts and not illusions, and you possess the right solutions to be sure we will get through. For so many before me has given their heart away completely without thinking over the matter deeply, then realized when it's too late that love can bring joy, but then again can be painful. For love ain't a game, you know it ain't a game. So if I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it apart, or would you look after it? If I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it apart, or would you treasure it? If I gave my heart to you, what if I gave my heart to you? Girl, what would you do?
You've been crying, your face is a mess. Come in, baby, you can dry the tears in my dress. She's hurt you again, I can tell.
know how to love me, not even how to kiss me. I don't know why I love you, baby. I'm still in love with you, boy.
You took me from pain to joy, unspeakable joy, unspeakable joy. Lord, I was feeling so bad. I was always sad. I didn't have no money, nowhere to go. My friends, I should say who I thought was my friends. They wouldn't answer my phone calls. I was walking pregnant in the snow, trying to get a record deal. You know how bad it can get sometimes. I never thought I'd get out of pain, and I know a lot of you felt the same. But I'm standing here today to testify. I got joy in the morning. I got joy in the evening. I got joy in the midnight hour. I got so much joy. I got so much joy. See, one day I was walking along the street with my head down so low. This brother stopped me, pat me on the shoulder, and told me it ought not to be so. He took his little hand and lifted up my chin. And to tell you the truth, I've been looking up ever since then. I ain't seen my feet since I don't know when. I got joy in the morning. I got joy in the evening. I got so much joy, so much joy. I know the Lord must have sent you. Oh, I hope I never have to say about pain again. And somebody ought to say amen. 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 I said it feels good to feel good. It feels nice to feel nice. Unspeakable joy. I knew you were looking out for me, Lord. But sometimes it just got so hard. I know the Lord would renew my strength, but I was getting a little impatient, 'cause I had been waiting.
He walked into my life, and now he's taken over. And it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I've gone with better looking guys. He's gone with prettier looking girls. But now we're beautiful. I think we're beautiful. I don't need love affairs anymore. No, I don't need love affairs anymore. Can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together. We are beautiful. Ooh, beautiful. I am the rain, he is the sun. And now we've made a rainbow. I think we're beautiful. We're really beautiful. I don't need love affairs anymore. No, I don't need love affairs anymore. Well, can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together. We just like me and my man. Oh, this would be beautiful. It would be so beautiful. 'Cause I don't need love affairs anymore. No, I don't need love affairs anymore. Can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together. We are beautiful. Ooh, so beautiful. Can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together. We are beautiful.
It's Lindsay is. Listen. Oh, I thank the Lord for the day that I found you. Girl, I wanna stay around you every day. If you feel the need for tenderness and affection, let it be me. In your search for love filled with passion and devotion, I'm calling out to you with my words, deeds and thoughts. If you feel the need and indeed the inclination, let it be me. Ooh, hey, how I yearn for your tender love. The fire burns when you give your love. And without your sweet love, what would life be? What would life be? Yeah. With your lips of wine, say you never leave me lonely. Tell me with your heart that you love only me. And with that I ask you now and forever, let it be me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. How I yearn for your tender love. The fire burns when you give your love. And without your sweet love, what would life be? What would life be? With your lips of wine, say you never leave me lonely. Tell me with your heart that you love only me. And with that I ask you now and forever, let it be me. Let it be me. Let it be me. Let it be me. Ooh, darling. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm in my corner and I'm watching you, watching me. I see it in your eyes, I know my eyes ain't deceiving me. Can't you see the baby, that is the question I ask myself. Is it really? Yes, I know you can't be faking. I want the truth from your heart, my lady. Please tell me. Oh, baby, love you. 'Cause you know I'm feeling. Just for a moment, I feel the need to be by your side. Baby, let me turn your love. 'Cause you know I'm feeling. That I want you, yeah. Now you're in your corner and you're watching me, watching you. Well, it's no surprise to see the focus coming into view. Come a little closer, take my hand, don't you worry. You'll be safe in my arms as we'll dance the night. Stay by my side and don't just say, well, maybe. I want the truth from your heart, my lady. Please tell me. Oh, 'cause you know I'm feeling. I feel the need to be by your side. Turn your love. 'Cause you know I'm feeling. That I want you, yeah.
Sunshine when she's gone, she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no way. Anytime she goes away, I know, yeah. I know. Sunshine when she's gone. Lord, ain't no sunshine.
nothing better that I like to do than sit and hear cuddle up next to you, 'cause you love me, baby, just the way I want to be loved. It's so nice lying here in your arms. Your personality has that charm, and you love me, baby, just the way I want to be loved. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When I'm here with you, all you have to do, I can clearly see that you care all about me. Well, I could stay here for the rest of my life. I wanna be your lover, woman, maybe your wife, 'cause you love me, baby, just the way I want to be loved. It's so nice lying here in your arms. Your personality has that charm, and you love me, baby, just the way I want to be loved. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When I'm here with you, all you have to do, I can clearly see that you care. You care about me. Better than I wanted to. Then sit here, baby, cuddle up next to you, 'cause you love me, baby, just the way I wanna be loved. Yeah, yeah, 'cause you love me, baby, just the way I want to be loved. Yeah, yeah, you love me, baby, the way I wanna be loved. You love me, baby, you love me, baby, just the way I wanna be loved, just the way I wanna be loved. So don't you know that you got me, baby, as love? So don't you know that you got me, baby, as love? So don't you know that you got me? Don't you know that you got me? You love me, baby, you love me, baby, just the way I wanna be loved.
This love is mellow, yes. Delight, hold me tight, and your love a light shining bright. And one kiss is heaven's bliss, and only you can give me this. Come to me, oh yes, my friend. Make it last, don't let it end. Keep it up, don't you stop. Keep it up, give me what you got. Whoa, this love is mellow, yes, mellow. This love is mellow, yes. Sunrise to the sky, you've got me flying high, and my problems run away anytime you pass my way. stop. Keep it up, give me what you got. Oh, this love is mellow, yes, mellow. This love is mellow, yes. So keep it mellow as a cello. This love is mellow, you know I love you 'cause you're mellow. So keep it mellow as a cello. This love is mellow, you know I love you 'cause you're mellow. Sunrise to the sky, and you've got me flying high, and my problems run away anytime you pass my way. Harmony and ecstasy, give it to me with honesty. Keep it up, don't you stop. Cool me down, now you got me hot. Whoa, this love is mellow, yes, mellow. This love is mellow, yes, mellow. This love is mellow, yes, mellow. This love is mellow, yes. So keep it mellow as a cello. This love is mellow, because you're mellow. So mellow, so keep it mellow as a cello. Baby, this love is mellow, because you're mellow. So keep it mellow as a cello. This love is mellow, because you're mellow. So keep it mellow as a cello. As a cello, I love you 'cause you're mellow. Mellow, mellow as a cello. As a cello, I love you 'cause you're mellow. So keep it mellow as a cello. You know I love you 'cause you're mellow. Mellow, mellow, mellow as a cello. This love is mellow, yeah, as a cello. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did we came from two different worlds? Why we never seem to get along? Maybe you keep on doing all those wrongs, yeah. Then you want me just to understand why. Take a tip from me, I say. Them kind of things don't pay. Oh baby, oh no please, I won't get on my knees. You'll never see that day, 'cause only to Jah I pray. More and more and more I'm drifting away from you. More and more I'm drifting away from you. Did we came from two different worlds? Why we never see eyes to eyes? You have always tried to make me cry, yeah. But as time goes on, I'll get by. Take a tip from me, I say. Them kind of things don't pay. Oh baby, oh no please, I won't
Just cause you don't see me, don't mean I'm not there. Cause I don't have to be around to show you how much I care. Just cause you don't hear me, don't think I'm gone. I've got my ears to the ground, so I know what's going on. And I can't wait to reunite with you, lady, and hold on to what I've been missing for so long. But I'm in such a crazy fight, oh baby. To keep my head clear, I've gotta be here on my own. But you gotta believe me, if I come on trumps or I hit the dump, whichever way I go, if I'm a million miles with a ticket to ride, you'll know, you'll be the first to know. If I come on trumps or I hit the dump, whatever I do, whichever way I go, where I go, if I'm a million miles with a ticket to ride, you'll be the first to know. My beautiful baby, I'm so aching to see. To try and explain what I'm doing is a means to be free. No need to say I'm grieving, my heart is flying away. But I just remember we'll be together soon one day. And I can't wait to reunite with you, lady, and hold on to what I've been missing for so long. But I'm in such a crazy fight, baby. To keep my head clear, I've gotta go it on my own. Believe me. If I come on trumps or I hit the dump, whichever way I go, where I go, a million miles with a ticket to ride, you'll be the first to know. You'll be the first to know. Whatever it takes, oh, you'll be the first to know. You, baby. If I come on trumps or I hit the dump, whatever I do, whichever way I go, where I go, I'm a million miles with a ticket to ride, you'll be the first to know. If I come on trumps or I hit the dumps, whichever way I go,